Really? 30 days in jail for coughing at somebody? I'm sorry. I'm usually on the freaking uh, uh, caring about COVID thing, but it's just ridiculous. Why would Earth would someone get 30 days? We're just going. It's stupid. It's gone beyond the pale. You don't need that. I mean, it's just, how can I put this in a sane way? Could you imagine that before the pandemic? That's insane. It's completely insane. COVID gets like 99% of the people who freaking get well. Depending on age and just randomness, I guess. But some lady griping at her freaking employees, maybe she's not the best character, maybe she's not the less likable. But if I see someone filming me and I don't want to be filmed, I'm sorry, I am not responsible for freaking the material that they freaking film me at went against my will. And if that means me being inappropriate, get the F out of my face. What the hell? It might be a public space, but this is a private thing. Well, unless it's online, then you're freaking fair game. I mean, if you put yourself there, you give consent. If you don't put yourself there, then someone still has a right to freaking film you, but you have a right to object. Get the hell out of my face. I don't know. And that just coughing. I know COVID is serious. I respect that. I'm really on the fence about the vaccine, but generally seems like a good idea. I watch a lot of right-wing people, posters, and videos, and a lot of what they say sounds like anti-vaxxer stuff, and it's just in another form, and it's like, I don't know. I'm kind of divided. You know what I mean? But 30 days for just coughing at somebody who was wearing a mask anyway? Get over yourself. No, that's just not even get over yourself. That's just wrong. That's bullshit. That makes me really wonder if the people who are right wing are saying that this is crazy stuff aren't a little bit right. This seems like more like a means to an end for a political reality than a health crisis. The mask that binds. Yeah, the mask that binds. Wow. I'm not really into conspiracy theories that much, but I think that there's something to this. You don't get 30 days for coughing. That's just fucking ridiculous. That's blue. You know where to go.